Hello and welcome to my channel, Zubair Creative Studio. I'm Mohammed Zubair, and today I have a special offer for you. I'm providing a 500 plus fonts pack that you can download from my YouTube channel. This pack includes a wide range of beautiful and impressive fonts that can add a new shine to your projects and content. You'll receive a WinRAR file for this pack, and the password for extraction will be provided under the video. But before you download, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, as downloading will not be possible without a subscription. I hope you find this pack useful and that it adds a new dimension to your projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.